Hey guys, it's 1.5 Italians. Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing things for the garden. In here is a biodome.
That's right, we bought recently, hold on a second, a Park Seed 60 biodome. So we aren't really gonna do much with that, probably for another month or so, but went ahead and bought one on Black Friday. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. I'm gonna pause the video. We're gonna cut the box open and my garden helper will show us what's inside. All right, here's the moment of truth. Oh, lots of peanuts. Wow, this is gonna be a mess.
They look like S's.
They do look like S's. All right, let's try not to make a giant mess. What do we got here?
Green bubble wrap.
We do have some green bubble wrap.
Yeah, and I see something white underneath.
All right, let's take that out. So this came from Park and Seed, all nice wrapped. We're gonna go ahead and put that on the ground and then open it up. All right, we were gonna let Becky unbox it, but we didn't realize how complicated it was gonna come. Also, I'm not sure she's ever seen styrofoam peanuts before in her entire life.
I don't think I have.
So we're gonna go ahead and cut this open and see what we've got here. It's pretty well wrapped. Wow,
There it is.
This is actually a pretty nice setup. So we were looking for something a little more sturdy than the traditional Jiffy pot. I believe this one was in the $30 to $40 range. Comes with a nice heavy gauge plastic. This, I believe, is the plug system, and kind of the magic of all of it. You fill this with water and it floats. And we went ahead and splurged for 2 sets of these sponges. Not really sure what this material is, but the material is a bio sponge and it sits in here. It'll soak up the water and then work as a seeding medium. We went ahead and bought an extra pack of those just so that we would have them. Comes with some plant food fertilizer, so we'll show you what we're going to do with that probably in January. We also have some seeds coming from Rare Seeds, some tomatoes and peppers that we're going to get going in here probably after the 1st of January. Let's see what else we've got. We've got a little guide there, some instructions. And unlike kind of the Jiffy model, this one is made of some pretty heavy gauge plastic. So that's what we've got there. Little vents in the hood to help maintain humidity. So hopefully this thing will get us going this winter, and we'll get some seedlings going in there in January. We'll track you along as we get the things growing. All right, in addition to the biodome, it was actually flurrying here in North Georgia today, or at least this evening. It's November 30th, I believe.
Yes.
So what we had, and we've shown you in the other videos, our greenhouse, and that's doing pretty good for a lot of the larger plants, but we actually had some seedlings that we're hoping are going to make it through the winter. This was actually that tomato that we found growing inside of the compost bin. We potted it. It's doing really well. We actually sprouted 3 basil plants with the intent of growing those indoors so that we have basil over the winter. Diana, our African violet.
No, Diana's our Venus flytrap.
Thank you. Our Venus flytrap was actually getting a little cold. She's been doing well, but we wanted to get her inside. And this is the African violet leaf that we knocked off in the previous video that we're trying to sprout. So while these were doing well in the greenhouse, we wanted to get them inside where it was a little warmer. We bought this rig over the weekend. It was a simple $10 clamp light with an LED grow bulb that we got at Home Depot as well. That's just set to a timer. So the goal here really is in the window, they'll get a little bit of sunlight during the day and then another 10 hours of light at night. So as we sprout the seeds in the biodome, We're going to let those sprout and grow, and then eventually we'll move them over to this window here, and then give them some extra light. And we're going to probably start all of that around January, with the hopes of having seedlings 8 to 9 weeks later that we can put out in the garden in early April after our last frost. So that's what we're doing indoors over the winter. We'll take you along as we keep prepping the garden and getting the seeds and moving along.
If you like what you saw, make sure to like the video and subscribe to 1.5 Italians. Make sure to ring the bell so that you know when new videos come out. Bye.
Bye.